Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to tackle one of those super common and super frustrating roadblocks you can hit on the internet. It's that moment when a website you really need just won't work, all because of one little hidden setting. But hey, don't worry, the fix is way simpler than you think. You've been there, right? You're in the middle of doing something important, and then bam! You're stopped dead in your tracks by a message just like this. It's so annoying. A search bar, a login button, a key feature, it just sits there, doing nothing. So let's figure out why. Okay, so what is this JavaScript thing anyway? Look, you don't need to be a programmer to get this. Think of a website like a house. HTML, that's the foundation and the walls. CSS, that's the paint, the furniture, all the stuff that makes it look good. But JavaScript, that's the electricity. It's what makes the lights turn on, the doorbell ring, and everything actually work. It's the engine that makes a boring static page come alive. So here's the good news. Your browser wants JavaScript to be on. I mean, it's almost always enabled right out of the box. So if it's off, it was probably just an accident. And the even better news? Turning it back on is incredibly easy. And we're about to walk through the exact steps for every single major browser, starting right now. First up, we've got the heavyweights, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. Now, what's really cool is that these three are all built using the same core technology, and that is great news for us, because it means the fix is nearly identical for all of them. All right, take a look at this. It's kind of funny how they all bury this super powerful setting in almost the exact same spot. As you can see, you just start in Settings, click your way over to Privacy, and then find Site Settings. The last step is just finding JavaScript and flipping that switch to Allowed. That's it. 5 quick clicks, and you are back in business. Okay, so while the Chrome family takes the main road, Firefox likes to take the scenic route. It takes you to a more under-the-hood kind of settings panel, but don't let it intimidate you. The process is just as straightforward once you know the secret command to get there. So instead of clicking through a bunch of menus, you're going to type a command right into the address bar, where you'd normally type a website. Just type about:config and hit enter. This zaps you straight to Firefox's advanced settings page. From there, just use the search bar to find javascript.enabled and make sure it's toggled to true. Simple as that. Now, you are going to see a warning message pop up about accepting the risk. It looks a little scary, I know, but this is just a standard safety check Firefox uses for its advanced settings. For this specific change, just enabling JavaScript, it's perfectly 100% safe to click through and continue. And finally, for all you Mac users out there, Apple's Safari browser offers what is by far the most straightforward solution of them all. Seriously, after that little adventure in Firefox, this is going to feel like a walk in the park. And this is just beautiful in its simplicity. It's literally 3 quick clicks and you're done. You just go into Safari's preferences, click that security tab, and make sure that little box is checked. That is it. Problem solved. And just like that, you've done it. Doesn't matter which browser you use, you now hold the key. The interactive, dynamic, fully functional web is unlocked and waiting for you again. You can say goodbye to those frustrating error messages for good. So let's recap the key takeaways here. Think of these as your new digital cheat sheet. For the Chrome family, your destination is Site Settings. For Firefox, it's that special command, about:config. And for Safari, it's the Security tab. Remembering those 3 paths is all it takes to stay in control. This might seem like a small bit of technical knowledge, but it's genuinely empowering. You now have the skill to troubleshoot and fix one of the most common web issues out there all by yourself. No more searching for help or asking someone else to fix it for you. And that's it. You've learned how to take back control and unlock the full power of the web. The only question left is the one on the screen. Now that your web is unlocked, what will you explore? Thanks for joining us on The Explainer. And as always, stay curious.